to perform, especially classical dance, Kathak. Okay, you have certain rules and regulations. So we have a person from Nirantara Cultural Group.
A very happy Republic Day, which is coming tomorrow, and you having a celebration that is on Monday. And also, yesterday is a special auspicious day. We do a Saraswati Puja in Navaratri time. Like that, in North India, they celebrate Basant Panchami. It's a very auspicious day to learn anything new, taking the blessings of Goddess Saraswati. And the very next day, we are also here to share some of the art forms, little bit knowledge that what we have, and to come and share it with you. Bharatanatyam, very nice, and Kathak, very good, and Kathakali, very nice. Different categories. All of these dances which should have some kind of roots. Correct? What is that root? Bharatanatyam. Another one is Kuchipudi. Another one is Kathakali. And one more, Mohiniyattam. All these four dances, which is more popular today, is the classical form is established, is called as a Kuchipudi. Have you seen any time they will put a pot on the head and they will Mohiniyattam? You have to explore. You have to just Google it, you will get anything. These four forms are from each state there are art forms, the folk dancers, and we just try some of the movements of Bharatanatyam. And also we'll try some of the movements from the art form of Kathak. Alright? And if anybody who are really feel interested, you can definitely contact your teachers or the school. Then you can start learning. You can explore many dance. Doesn't teach only the dance. It teaches the history. It teaches the science. It teaches the overall development. It teaches the personality development. It teaches the management skills. So many benefits when you learn a classical dance form. Alright? So, let us start. Yes? Now, before we start, ma'am is going to show, since yesterday was the Saraswati Puja, she will do a Saraswati Vandana in front of you. Then we will start doing exploring some of the steps. Alright? Yes. Do please make sure that you don't wear footwear or the shoes and dance. Especially when keep it here in front of you and the elbows will be up. Now turn your feet in a V shape. And sir, can those boys can come here and sit in a half position. We call this as the Aramandi position. Alright? Hold the hands and the boys keep your back straight and elbows up. You should be doing it more manly. Yes? Alright. Now tap your right leg 1 and the left leg 2. Now thumbs down and stretch your hands. Now slowly go down and bring the hands on your shoulders. Both the hands to the side and all the way to the front. Now touch the floor and touch your eyes. Now slowly open your hands and slowly raise your hands up, all the way up. Don't push your hands and come to the forehead. Now from there, come down. You know what we did? It's a salutation or a namaskar. It has a meaning to it. What is the meaning? When we sit in this position, when we tap our right hand and the left hand, that showcasing that we are about to dance. Alright? When we are about to dance, when we tap, then slowly we go down and touch the Mother Earth, asking her forgiveness because we are tapping her so many times, it's so hard. Asking her forgiveness and bringing all the way hands up, seeking the blessings from the gods. From there when we come to the forehead, this is seeking the blessings from your parents, your ancestors and your teachers. And when you bring it to the in front of your chest, that is those who are coming to see you all, bringing, like welcoming them. So a lot of meaning goes behind this. Alright? So when we know it, it is, when we do it again, we have some kind of emotion will be attached to it and we start respecting to it. Alright? Shall we try one more time? Ready? Sit in Aramandi. Kita, ta, ka, te, te, hit, hit, te, 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 hit, hit, te, 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 hit, hit, te, kita, ta, ka, ta. Legs flat. There are so many counts, but we will just do one. That is tapping 3 times in your right leg, tapping 3 times in your left leg. Okay? How? There is a rule. I told you now, there is a rule. So keep your hands here, all the girls, both the hands. Okay? Press your back so that you get a little support in your back. And the boys, keep the hands like this. Alright? You don't have to keep it like girls. Keep the boys, hands are like this. Now turn your feet, sit in the half position. Make sure your back is straight. Don't sit like this. Keep it back straight, shoulders are open, look straight in your eye level. Very nice. Very nice. Now, hit in your right leg 3 times, hit in your left leg 3 times along with my counts. Okay? But make sure that when you hit little soft because the small stones are there. Okay? Ki, cha, ta, ka. 1, 2, 3. Be in that position. Ki, ta, ta, ka. 1, 2, 3. Ki, ta, ta, ka. Ki, ta, ki, ta, ki. Ki, ta, ta, ka. Ki, ta, ki, ta, ki. Are all okay? Kitta, takka, ti, ja, ti, ja, ti. Kitta, takka, ti, ja, ti, ja. Little faster. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Te, te, tam. Te, te, tam. Very good. Te, te, tam. Te, te. Little faster. Te, te, tam. 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 Takka, tati, ti, na, tom. Very good. The legs we are just tapping here. Now we are stretching our legs and bringing it back. You know, there's a different movement. Guys, one world famous, you call it as a king of dance. Who is king of dance in the world? Shiva is a lord of dance, god of dance, king of dance. Somebody said, Michael Jackson is called as a king of dance, isn't it? All over the world. I give you challenge. You go to one of his videos. In some of the video, he has done the Natadavo like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Have you anybody seen that? I don't know, I've forgotten that which song is that. Maybe Smooth Criminal or Bad. Some of the dance. He has tried that. Okay? Along with him, there's one more girl. The Indian dance girl is dancing. You know what kind of dance she's doing? She's doing the Odissi dance. Try, look in the YouTube. Okay? Now, this we call as a Natadavu, where first we learn tapping the feet. Now we are learning movements with the stretching our feet or the leg. Alright? Chalo. Position. What is the position? This one. Very good. Now, we will just try the first one. Okay? What we have to do? Just stretch to your straight here. Okay? On the heel and bring back and tap. Stretch on the heel and tap. Stretch on the heel and tap. Heel and tap. Tei, jum, ta, ta. Tei, hit, ta, ha. Tei, jum, ta, ta. Tei, jit, ta. Again. Tei, jum, ta, ta. Tei, hit, ta, ha. Tei, jum, ra, ta. Tei, hit, little faster. Tei, jum, ta, ta. Tei, hit, ta, ha. Tei, jum, ta, ta. Tei, hit, ta. Little faster. Tei, jum, ta, ta. Tei, hit, ta, ha. Tei, jum, ta, ta. Tei, hit, ta, ha. Tei, jum, ta, ta. Tei, hit, ta, ha. Tei, jum, ta, ta. Ta, 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 begin, to. Moving to the side, keeping the right, see here, right, left, right, there only. Then you're moving back, left, right, left. Now going towards the left side, right, left, right, and coming back, left, right, left, there only. Only the first count you will move, that is, you step far. The second and the third, you just tap back. Drop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let me try with the hands also. Ti, ta, ta, ka, ti, ti, ta. 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 Very good. Open. Ti, close it. Ti, ta. Open. Ti, ta.
two, three, stop. Little faster. Three, stop. Three, stop. Three, stop. Three, stop. Good. Three, stop. Stop. Three, stop. Three, stop. Three, stop. Three, stop. Three, stop. Three, stop. And three, stop. Three, stop. Three, stop. Three, stop. Three, stop. चलो three, stop. 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 What you do? No, we express, somehow we try to express through our body. And clapping, and smiling, and jumping, whatever the way. Some of the movements and try to communicate. No, very angry. Have you seen in some of the movies they show? They get very angry, and then the hero, they get very angry. What happened? Immediately they repeat what happened. You know, the dance will be where the hero is very angry and repeating some of the movements. What is that?
Wait till sir finish. You have to wait and then you should say. Okay. Oh, did you understand? One more time. Sir will show. Yeah? First see what is the first action. What is this? Krishna. Second? You. Correct. Then? Come. Correct.
Quick. Come on, make it quick. Okay? When I said this, what is this?
Come. Krishna. Ni begane baro.
Have you heard this song? Yeah? No, not heard. How many of you not heard? It's okay if you not heard. Ah, very nice. Alright, no problem.
Tell me one song, any of you. Don't tell me film songs. Okay? Either some bhajan or what is your prayer in the school? Teacher. Alright? The teacher is like God Brahma. The teacher who are going to say to teaches you what the creation, what is it, how to create, how to study, whatever things, he gives the knowledge. Guru is the Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. The teachers are like Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. And they are the one who gives us the knowledge. To that Guru, we surrender. Is the whole meaning of the shloka. Okay?
Guru तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
Brahma. You know the connection, the comparisons? That is the language that we do in our classical dance. That it shows only the Brahma. And we show like this, using the lyrics, and we communicate to the audience using some of the hand gestures, some of the facial expression, some of the postures. By using that, we communicate. Proposal and giving some time to spend with these kids along with their academic time. So thank you so much, and thank you all. Thank you.
Enjoyed? Yes, did you learn something about classical dance? Yes, sir. Learn? Yes, sir. Okay, so when I saw sirs, when Renuka Rao ma'am informed me about Sirs Academy, I was just browsing, I was just checking through Instagram. So I found his page and I saw many students, very small kids. Okay, from small kids, I can see many elder person also. Okay, so they all are coming to Sirs Academy and they are learning. They do have some exams about classical dance. So if you are interested, so we'll see. Okay, for the next academic year, if more number of students are going to enroll yourself, then we'll ask Sir or Sir's team to come and teach you here in school. Okay, if not, if you are interested, then you can join in Sirs Academy, which is near to Ramurthy Nagar. Okay.
We will be having the summer classes, like summer camps. Also, if you are interested to come and learn with us. And also our dance class is very much near to the D-Mart in Ramurthy Nagar. How many of you know the D-Mart in Ramurthy Nagar? Everybody knows. How many of you know the Polar Bear ice cream shop there? Some of you know. You know, we are just above the Polar Bear. Next time when you come and look up, we will see the Nirantara School of Dance there. Alright? Otherwise, if you still want to know, you can ask Renuka ma'am. You know what? Renuka ma'am also comes to our dance school to learn dance. Really? She also comes to learn. And, of course, clap for her. You know what, children? The dance has no age bar. Okay? You should have an interest to learn. Any art form, there is no age bar. It's only to explore yourself, to understand within you, more deeper into it, you should learn art form. I'm not telling you should learn only dance. You can learn any art form. Either the music or the dance or the painting or the whatever the art form. That gives you a lot more development, and it will help you also with your studies. One of my students who was the state second rank in second PUC, she used to practice, she used to come and dance even in her second PU. Not like we say we are in 10th, we should not do anything, we should study, only study. Study is very important, you should be more focused. But sometimes your brain needs some other form so that your brain can concentrate on the studies. That art form, like that, the skill will be to practice some of the art form instead of just seeing some TV or some other activities. So that will help you more in your academics also. And I don't suggest you all will be having. Go to your parents, if your parents have any Instagram ID, you can look into it, Nirantara School of Dance in the Instagram or in the Facebook, so that you can see all the activities which we are doing. You can show it to your parents. Then anybody are interested, you can come to our dance school. If more students are there, we will come to you in your school. Alright? Thank you so much.
Thank you, children.